Igbo in Dublin, IUD Incorporated with Omwanyo Bidia are celebrating family Christmas end of the year party. Date Sunday the 15th of December 2024. Venue Rivers Valley Community Center, Seoul. Time 2:45 p.m. Activities include youth Christmas party, youth fashion parade, Santa activities, talent show, bottle flip, drink and tell, debate on political, personnel and current affairs, music status, dancing competition. Of course, there will be a refreshment and every child must go home with a gift. Dressing code, Christmas hat, any other Christmas costume. Music blast all the way by DJ Wisewan. Time, Chief James Obijako, Bonyendu Igboinon, IUD Dublin, Ijele. Chief Mrs. Nonye Odedesin, Bonyendu Umwan Obidia, Adadiche. Mrs. Happiness Aga, Osutonyendu Umwan Obidia, also the planning committee chairperson, Mrs. Yuleria Imukobi, youth officer. Chief Sonny Williams, DOS, Abi Ikete, Ablikete. Hey, yo, please don't miss this because it's going to be helele. Encourage your children to bring their friends so we can enjoy this great event together.